Hello, this is video 1 for the MSU Dual Credit English 100 course, and we are going to begin by looking at the syllabus and going over what is expected of you as the student, as well as myself as your instructor in this course. The syllabus is a Google Doc, which we will be using Google Docs in this course. And so you will be able to click on the Google Doc and save a copy in your own Google Drive. First things first, this is English 100, Writing 1, Section 600. And this is the fall of 2020 at MSU. I'm your instructor, Kayla Stafford. My office hours for you are Monday through Thursday from 7 to 8 a.m. or by appointment. Anytime you want to make an appointment with me, simply email me and I will look at my calendar and allow you to do the same, and we will come up with a day and a time where we can meet and talk about any issues you're having or revising and editing those essays. We are also lucky to have some MSU students that are going to be writing teachers in the very near future that are going to be a part of our course, and each week I will post their tutoring schedule so that you can sign up and have tutoring from those students. So please email me anytime at kayla.stafford@rowan.kyschools.us and I will reply to you within 24 hours. If you ask me to read an essay for you, it may take a day or two for me to be able to have time to really read, revise, edit, and give you feedback. But I assure you I will get back with you as soon as possible. For this course, you must buy the book, Everything's an Argument, the 8th edition, and that is by Andrea Lunsford and John R. and Keith Walters. It is recommended that you have a Chromebook or laptop for this course, especially since it's completely virtual. It will be impossible for you to do your work in any other way but to have your own computer at your house. The prerequisite for this course is an 18 on the ACT English subscore or successful completion of English 099. Please read the learner outcomes and the assessment. Let's go over the classroom policies. Attendance and participation. To participate in this course, you need to log on to Blackboard every morning when you get up and read any announcements that I may have left for you, as well as engage in the discussion board posts and replies. Watch the videos, take the quizzes, complete the assignments, and then you will do very well in this course. Each week, we will have a Google Meet or Zoom session, depending on which one works better for us. Zoom is free right now, so we'll use Zoom until it isn't. And we will meet virtually on Fridays from 11 to noon. And I will lecture, answer questions, go over the assignments, anything you need. And if during that Google Meet you realize that you need more time or one-on-one time, we'll schedule that, or even work later into the afternoon on Friday if you need the time right then, or we can always meet back on Monday morning. Late or make-up work. All students must complete the required essays to complete this course and to earn dual credit for the course. Late work may be accepted by request. A formal request must be emailed to the instructor by the student, and the professor may or may not agree to accept the late work. All late work will result in a 10% deduction and must be submitted within 5 calendar days of the original due date. All the due dates are listed on the course calendar, which we'll go over. So if something comes up in your life and you need to turn in an assignment late, you must email me and ask for an extension. You will be granted that extension as long as you have a good reason for turning in your work late, but you will only have 5 calendar days from the due date to complete that assignment. Your late work will also result in a 10% deduction. So the best thing that you can do is work ahead, do not procrastinate, make sure that you're working a little bit a day. Create a schedule for yourself to where you get up at the same time, eat your breakfast, and then begin doing your work. ADA compliance. Americans with Disabilities Act. In compliance with the ADA, all students with a documented disability are entitled to reasonable accommodations and services to support their academic success and safety. Though a request for services may be made at any time, services are best applied when they are requested at or before the start of the semester. To receive accommodations and services, the student should immediately contact the Disability Services Coordinator, Evangeline Day, e.day@moreheadstate.edu in the Enrollment Services Center. If you will call that number or email Evangeline, then they will set up accommodations for you. And then please read the campus safety statement, since we are a virtual course that doesn't necessarily apply to us. But if there's any reason that you have an issue with campus safety, you can always seek advice and go to their website. Academic honesty. All students at Morehead State University are required to abide by accepted standards of academic honesty. Academic honesty includes doing one's own work, giving credit for the work of others, and using resources appropriately. Guidelines for dealing with acts of academic dishonesty can be found in the academic catalog. Further, please read the MSU policy on Academic Dishonesty Act. So please click on this link and read MSU's policy. To plagiarize means to steal and pass off someone else's work. So when you copy and paste from a website and turn it in as your own without citation, you are plagiarizing. And there are specific rules and regulations that I must follow as the instructor and you must submit to as the student. And so again, I need you to click on this link and read the regulations and policies about academic misconduct. Acts of plagiarism will not be tolerated in this course. If you commit plagiarism, if you turn in an essay that you haven't written yourself or you didn't give credit for, you didn't cite your sources, then you will get no credit for that work. Chapter 20 is one of the first chapters that are assigned in this course, and it provides additional information on how to avoid plagiarism. In addition, online information on the issue can be found at the Purdue Online Writing Lab site. Please click on this link and take a look at that site so that you will not commit plagiarism. Evaluations. This is a brief description of the evaluations in this course, including the 4 essays that are required, the online library research quiz, weekly discussion board posts and replies, and there is a 2-part final exam. Please click on each of these links so that you can be prepared and know what each essay entails. I will create a video lecture for each of the 4 essays. The grading policy is as follows. And here is your schedule of assignments. This is probably the most important part of the syllabus because you will find the due dates for each of your assignments. In part 2, I will review the schedule of assignments and course calendar with you.